Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever Ipsy versus Sephora Play subscription comparison. We'll have to work on that name, but this is for the month of November. It's currently the end of November now, but I'm just now getting around to filming this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First I'm going to show you everything that I got in my Ipsy, and then I'm going to be showing you everything that I got in my Sephora Play, then telling you which one I like better and why. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on started. So like I said, I was going to be starting off with my Ipsy. So here's my Ipsy bag for the month of November. It is this blue purpley color with black hearts, and it has a gold zipper. So let's go ahead and unzip it. And every month Ipsy includes these little cards. But the first thing I got in here is this Moroccan Mint Tea Reviving Hand Cream. It's by Bubble Tea Bath and Body, and it looks like this. So I have already opened this. It's just a white hand cream. I've used this. This is actually super hydrating, and it's not like a thick like moisturizing feel. It's like a pretty thin consistency, but it feels really hydrating, which I really enjoy. I don't particularly like the scent, but since it's not so thick, I absolutely love that about this lotion. So I actually really like it, even though I don't particularly like the scent. It makes my hands feel super nice and soft, and it doesn't leave them feeling like all like slimy and icky. I'm not personally a fan of lotions, but I like the way that one feels. It doesn't make me feel gross after I use it. It makes my skin feel super soft. Then the next thing I got in here, this I actually traded with my mom. If you do watch our Ipsy versus Ipsys over on her channel, then you would know that we did a little trade. I gave her the pencil eyeliner that I got, and she gave me this little Juno & Co. microfiber velvet sponge. So I had a black eyeliner with some silver shimmers in it, and she had a brown eyeliner with some gold shimmers in it. And I personally don't use pencil eyeliners. I like the liquid eyeliners. So we did a little trade because she already has one of these and she has backups. So she wanted me to try this out. So yes, this is what it looks like. It's really cool. I haven't opened it yet, but I am really excited to try it. Then the next thing I got is this Ink Velvet Lip Tint. It looks like this. You go ahead and open it up, and there is a little lip tint inside, and this is in the color Love Sniper Red. I'm not going to swatch this because this is a stain. Then the next thing we got is this little, what is this called? Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and this is by Ciate London. It's just a mini little sample of a translucent powder. I haven't used this, but I have swatched it, and there's no shimmer in it, and there wasn't any flashback that I am aware of, so I'm really excited to try this out. This will be perfect for traveling, and I definitely will put that in my dad bag, so whenever I go to my dad's, I have a nice little mini translucent powder. And then the last thing I got in my Ipsy bag for the month of November is this single eyeshadow by The Balm. This is the Foiled Again foil eyeshadow, and this is in the color Cahoots. So now moving on into the Sephora Play. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this did come in a little bag, but I did give the bag to my mom. But the first thing you get when you open a Sephora Play is one of these little things, and I had a Sephora Play card. You get 50 points every month, so if you spend, I think it was $20, then you can use the 50 points and add it to your account, but you do have to spend a minimum of $20, which is kind of silly, but you know, it is what it is. And then it just gives you a bunch of tips and tricks on this side, and then on the other side it shows you everything that you got in your Sephora Play box. So let's go ahead and show you guys everything that I got into mine. So the first thing that I got that I was super excited about is another translucent powder, but this isn't just any translucent powder. This is the cult favorite Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is just a little mini sample. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing is full to the brim. Like this thing, there's still a little sticker on it because I haven't swatched it or anything yet, but this stuff is supposed to be amazing. There's not supposed to be any flashback on it. Like, this is a beauty community YouTube cult favorite. And now it's under my bed, so I'll retrieve that later. Then the next thing I got in my Sephora Play box is the Christian Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste, and this is for your hair. It says that, it says that you're supposed to apply it on wet hair and massage it into the scalp and then rinse it out. So it's, yeah. But on here it also says that it is made for fine hair, and I actually have really thick hair, so I don't really know if this will work on me or not. I do want to try this if I can remember to try it, and if I don't like it, then I'll give it to my mom, or if I forget to try it, then I'll just see if my mom wants it, and if she doesn't, then maybe she can put it in a giveaway or something like that. But yeah, it just looks like this, and this is a pretty big sample. I haven't opened it up. Oh, it doesn't have a seal or anything on it. It's just brown on the inside. And it's really full. Like, it's full up to here, so that is pretty awesome. Wait, what's it smell like? Oh, it just smells clean, like a clean candle. Then the next thing I got is this Comedy Gold little perfume sample, and I have already smelled this. This smells amazing. I love this. It says that the key notes in here are molten amber, benzoin, and vanilla, which I love vanilla scents, which is probably why I like this so much. And then the next thing we have in here is a little sample of this Purity Made Simple 3-in-1 face and eye cleanser. And my mom said this is really good. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited to try it out, and I love travel size skincare because I can take it over to my dad's with me. So then we also got another skincare item, and this is the Lancome Paris Anti-Stress Moisturizing Cream Gel. It looks like this in the box, and I have tried this, and this is super duper moisturizing. I tried it out of this little sample, and I do really like how hydrating this feels on the skin. This is really nice, and it sinks into my skin really nicely. And then the last thing I got in my Sephora play is this Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain, and this is in the color Pink Tea, and I'm not going to swatch this because I didn't swatch the other lipstick, so I just don't want to swatch this. So I'm just not going to swatch this one, but I have used this and I really, really love this color. This color is absolutely stunning. So yeah, that is all for those 2 subscription boxes for the month of November. So now let's go and see which one that I like more. So for this month, I think I'm going to be going with my Sephora Play box because even though I don't particularly normally like skincare samples, I really like the mixture of everything that I got in this one. I like that I got the Laura Mercier powder. I like the lip stain. I really, really have liked this a lot so far, and this perfume, this smells amazing. This, I haven't tried it. I don't know if I like it. My mom said it was good, so I mean, if I try and if I don't like it, I can always give it to my mom. And this, I'm just kind of meh about the hair thing because I don't really do much to my hair. I just wash it and then that's it. I let it air dry. So it would be cool to try out if I can remember to try it out. I'm really bad about remembering new things. I did really like everything that I got in my Sephora bag, but if I was going based off what I actually got in the Sephora bag, I wouldn't have gotten this. I would have had an eyeliner. I just dropped that too. I would have had an eyeliner, and I don't particularly like pencil eyeliners, but I do really love this lotion. This was probably my favorite thing in my ipsy this month, which normally I hate lotion, so that's kind of funny. And then I am really excited about the translucent powder and the eyeshadow and the lip stain and all of that. But this foreplay really just won me over this month. So yeah, that is all for this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to stay tuned for more of my videos, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!